Hi, it's Cheryl from Interior Marketing Group. Today, I'm going to show you this spectacular penthouse we designed in the heart of Tribeca. Come on. It's at the top of the historical cast iron house, which was built in 1881. The architecture of this penthouse extension celebrates scale and fluidity. So we brought in cool tones to honor that architecture and to complement the colors of the city. And you can see this in the great room, which is the center of this home. And it's expansive, both horizontally and vertically. Here in the living room, there are two distinct entertaining spaces, which we've joined together using these two invisible chairs, which, by the way, we designed and fabricated. One of my favorite features of this home are the telescopic glass doors, which flank this space and lead to the exterior. You can fully retract both walls and invite Tribeca right on in. I thought this was the perfect spot for the dining space, and I had the perfect table for this perfect spot. Quick tip, if you need a really long dining table, put two together. And now you have seating for 12, which you'll need if you're entertaining in a space like this. Finishing off the space is this minimalist open kitchen, which is defined by this oversized island. Check out these Bianco Odo countertops, making it the perfect place to cook a meal, eat a meal, or just recline. The white cabinetry is designed to recede into the background, so the chef remains the star of the show. When you have outdoor space like this, you have to take full advantage. So we created a lounge here and alfresco dining there. And the views aren't bad either. And down this hall are a media room and a bar. The second floor has 4 bedrooms and this gallery balcony overlooking the great room. With constant northern light, I knew this wall would be ideal for oversized art. And I never get tired of this view. I thought this light and airy primary suite could use a little grounding. So I added a couple of warm elements to this otherwise cool palette. We centered the bed on this wall to take in both exposures, and nothing beats waking up to views like this. But to make sure you have a cozy sleep, I added a woven fabric headboard, velvet pillows, and a faux fur throw. And a couple of other sweet features of this suite are 2 walk-in closets, a small terrace, and a bathtub with incredible views. And I finished the space off with a lounge area by the window. All of these elements combined just make this space so serene. I never get tired of staging a space like this, and I'm glad you could join me. I'll see you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?